Hi guys, again, this isn't video 2, this is probably 1.6 I'd say. I was hoping to do some work on this today, but unfortunately work got in the way, and after 14 hours of staring at a screen, I don't really have the strength, concentration or inclination to do much else, apart from answer this question. A few of you guys on the Pinball Info forum have been asking if I can do some manual resets, what I can actually get doing underneath the playfield, what I can get started. So this is just a quick video to show you where I'm at. Fire it on, and as I've said before, I get lots of pretty lights. Unfortunately, that's pretty much it. If I go around to the back box, I'm still missing that coil. Found the bracket though, which is good. And if we look, if I manually fire, I can manually fire these bad boys to move the score reel. Can't see the bottom one, obviously missing the coil. The reset does work. So they work, if not a little bit sticky. Probably clean the contacts. Obviously that's always on the list. Apart from that, that is nothing. I'm getting absolutely nothing. Oh, hold on. Wasn't doing that before. Oh. So that side's firing. This is new. This is new. So I'll fire them up. This is very new. So that side's working. I don't want to throw it around too much because I haven't actually got any rubbers or anything on. That's sticking. I don't want to do too much whilst I haven't got any of the rest of the playfield on, but that is now firing. That's sticking, because obviously that shouldn't be there. That should be out to about that kind of angle. There is a post that goes there, so I'm not going to mess with too much with that because that's obviously travelling too much and will burn out. Pop bumper, both pop bumpers firing. They came up on the reset. They're making noise. This is all very new. Obviously, it's not registering up there. Will that work? No, the kick out's still not working. That's strange. That's an interesting development. I had full intention of making this and showing that actually nothing works, but it appears, for some strange reason, it's got some more life. I might just leave it for a few more days, see if the whole thing's fixed. That'd be great if I've got a self-fixing EM pinball machine. I think everyone would love that. I feel the weekend video may have some more progress. I mean, want to be careful because this actually takes AC voltage. So I'm using a biro. But no. Coining up isn't actually doing anything. I think it's time to get in there and see what's going on. But yes, as I've said, that is for another day. So, wish me luck.